Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Android Auto is not working in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, check your charger works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update a new one charger. After that, open your settings. In settings, here you can see the option my phone. Now click on it and then click on check for updates. Now here you can check your latest variant will be updated or not. If it isn't updated to latest variant, then update it to latest variant. After update a latest variant, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.